Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your health and manage your weight? Intermittent fasting might just be the solution you've been searching for. In this beginner's guide, we'll explore what intermittent fasting is, its benefits, who should avoid it, and how to get started on your fasting journey. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense, but rather an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike many diets that dictate what you should eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, including 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. 5-2 diet. This approach involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and significantly reducing calorie intake, about 500-600 calories, for the remaining 2 days. Eat, stop, eat. With this method, you fast for a full 24 hours, once or twice a week. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you alternate between fasting days and non-fasting days. One of the primary reasons people turn to intermittent fasting is for weight loss. By restricting the time window for eating, many find it easier to reduce their overall calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss over time. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass. This makes it a popular choice for those looking to shed excess pounds without strict dietary restrictions. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting offers a range of additional health benefits. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, which may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced brain health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Increased longevity. Animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan, although more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Simplified meal planning. By limiting the number of meals you eat each day, intermittent fasting can streamline meal preparation and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial for many people, it's not suitable for everyone. Individuals who fall into the following categories should avoid fasting or consult with a healthcare professional before starting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Fasting during pregnancy or while breastfeeding can deprive both the mother and baby of essential nutrients. Individuals with a history of eating disorders. Fasting may exacerbate disordered eating patterns and should be approached with caution. Those with certain medical conditions. Individuals with diabetes, low blood pressure, or other medical conditions should consult with a doctor before attempting intermittent fasting. If you're ready to give intermittent fasting a try, here are some tips to help you get started. Choose a method. Select the intermittent fasting method that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Start slowly. If you're new to fasting, consider easing into it by gradually increasing the length of your fasting periods. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting periods and adjust your approach as needed. Be patient. It may take time for your body to adjust to intermittent fasting, so be patient and give yourself grace as you navigate this new eating pattern. By following these steps and listening to your body, you can harness the power of intermittent fasting to improve your health and well-being. In conclusion, intermittent fasting offers a flexible and effective approach to weight loss and overall health. By incorporating fasting periods into your routine and making mindful food choices during eating windows, you can reap the many benefits that intermittent fasting has to offer. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. With dedication and perseverance, intermittent fasting can become a sustainable and rewarding lifestyle habit. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.